In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google AI Studio account. Before we begin, know that the process shown removes your entire Google account, which also deletes access and data for Google AI Studio along with other Google services. If you only want to stop using AI Studio, consider pausing usage or removing projects instead. Otherwise, proceed only if you're sure. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and consider downloading any data you need beforehand. Open a web browser and go to google.com. If prompted, sign into the Google account that's linked to your AI Studio activity. At the top right of the page, click your profile picture. If you manage multiple profiles, double-check the email that appears to confirm you're on the intended account. In the menu that opens, choose More Settings. This takes you to an area with additional account options beyond basic search settings. Scroll down and select Google Account Settings. You'll be taken to your Google account home where you can manage security, data, and privacy. On this page, click the Data and Privacy section. This area controls what's stored, how it's used, and options for cleanup or deletion. Scroll down until you find Delete Your Google Account. This option is intentionally placed deeper in the page since it's a permanent action that affects all Google products tied to that account, including AI Studio. When you click it, Google may ask you to re-enter your password and complete verification. You'll see a summary of services that will be removed and, in many cases, links to download your data first. Read these details carefully. Deleting the account will remove access to Gmail, Drive, YouTube, purchases, developer tools, and any AI Studio projects or keys tied to the account. If there are subscriptions or active billing profiles, they may be canceled as part of the process. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. Google will ask for multiple acknowledgements to make sure you understand the impact. Once confirmed, the account and associated AI Studio data will be scheduled for deletion according to Google's policies. Some items may be briefly recoverable, but assume the deletion is final. That's it. You've navigated from Google's homepage to the controls that permanently delete the account tied to Google AI Studio. Take your time, verify you're in the right profile, and review any data you want to keep before you proceed.